Hello everyone. So today we are going to see slice and array question in Hackerrank. So here what we have given a list of countries, each on a new line. Your task is to read them into an array, then slice the array and display only the element lying between position 3 and 7. Both are inclusive. Indexing start from 0. Then input format is a list of country names. The only character present in the country name will be upper, lower or hyphen. Then output format is a display the slice portion of the array of the country names with a space separated between each of them. So here what we have to do, so we have to read these country names and store into the array. Then after that in the array we have to print the country names which are present in the array from index 3 to 7. So if we take here an example, then this will be stored at this first one will be stored at index 0, next 1 and up to dot 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 at the end. So how many are there here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That means ending index will be 9. And third index, let us see, 0 1 2 3. So third index will be Netherlands and the seventh index will be Nigeria. So from this third index to seventh index we have to print, here we can say output Netherlands to the Nigeria. So let us see how can we solve this. So first of all we will read the country names. So I equal to 0, we will take the variable called I, we will initialize with the 0. Then read the country name. So here we will use while loop, while next read line, then do. Here we will store the country name into the array. So array at position I, we will print the country, store the country name. Then we have to increment the I value, so we will use here increment I plus plus. Then done. So what will happen here, it will read the values of the name of country and that will be stored into this array. So at the array at index 0, first country name will be stored, then I value will be incremented and it will go to 1, I value will become 1. So at index 1, next country name will be stored and this will go on up to the end. Now next thing, we read these country names and stored into the array. Next thing what we have to do, we have to slice the array. That means we have to print the country names which are at index 3 to 7. So how can we do that? So here you have to print, so echo dollar array at the rate. So but this will print the all the country names which are present in the array. But what we have to do, we have to print the country name from the index 3 to 7. So between 3 to 7, how many countries are there? 5 countries. Between 3 to 7, 1 2 3 4 5. So here we can take the index from which we want the country name from the 3, and how many countries are there in the 3 to 7? 5 countries are there. So it will print all the countries present in 3 to 7. So here first we have to give the index from which we have to start, and here we have to give the total number of countries or values present in the, say here let's take, we want from 3 to 7 the country names present in the array from index 3 to 7. So how many countries will be there in the 3 to 7? At index 3 will be 1 4 5 6 7. So there are 5 countries from the index 3 to 7. That count we have to give here, and this is the starting point of the index. So this is the starting. So what will happen? It will print the country name present and at index 3, then at index 4, then at index 5, then at index 6, and at index 7. So this is the way this will work. So now let us run the code. Run the code. So sample test case 0 is passed successfully. Submit the code. All the test cases are passed successfully. So this is the way we can solve this question.